my YouTube channel. I can my turn. Look at my
What's that?
What's that?
my speaker.
Your headset.
Headset
Headphone.
from BOSE. What's the name? BOSE 700.
Zero. What?
Is that the new one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Shall we open it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
You
help
open.
Daddy. Help Daddy open
Anyone?
it.
Yeah. Can you? This one. Here. This one strip here. Pull it out. Pull it. Yeah. Pull it up.
I cannot do
Yeah.
that.
Cuss it.
I cannot do that. Out here.
Come on.
I
You
cannot.
want Daddy to do it?
Wait.
Okay. Go.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's
There
so
you
big.
go. And wow.
And,
What we got here?
hey.
Oh, this is just, for... Can you open it? Look, the case is really nice.
Hey, I can do that.
Yeah, you
And
can do
it's
that.
free.
Yeah. Freeze. Look at that. Okay, can you open it? Wow.
And if he
Oh,
I
wow.
can do-
What's comes with it? The headset
The headset.
and
hey, it's not do that.
the USB charger and the jack, mono jack. There you go. You can close it there.
Ouch!
Look, the cover is really good. Yeah. Oh, look, it's
And
really good at you.
Hey,
Yeah.
So
and
it's very
I want
nice.
that
and
one.
it won't break.
Yeah.
You can
Won't
just bend
shoot,
it.
bend
What
it.
was that?
Wow.
Hey, what's that one?
That's for the moisture protection. So look at this jam.
Jem, oh, look, oh. Daddy's...
It's really good. It's really good.
Jem, it fits in his head.
Yeah.
Yeah, feed with my head.
Yeah. So funny.
Gotta go in your head as well. See?
Yeah, I want
And then you just slide it.
Hi,
slide it on the
I'm
side.
Jeremiah. Hi.
Hi.
I'm Jeremiah.
Okay.
Hey,
So what we're gonna do here is we'll just connect it to our iPhone.
Wow.
But I think we need to charge it first.
You should
So you
charge
just
it
press
first.
the side with it if you want to play it.
play it.
Yeah. Wait.
Play.
Yeah, if you play it, just press that one.
You
But
press.
you need to put the power on first. You need to pair it
With that,
with your
with that one.
iPhone.
Like that.
Okay, go to Bluetooth. Pair with your iPhone. See there, BOSE NC 700. So press that one.
Squeak and eat.
Spotify, please. Why? Booby, booby, booby.
By the way, you can also say things like, "Hey Siri, play my music on Spotify." To start,
Hey Siri,
straight away.
Spotify, please.
Hey. He said not to.
We'll go to Spotify and
we,
we'll play.
what?
Where is the one?
Oh, here. Here.
We'll say
Welcome, my YouTube
old
channel.
school one.
I can eat a tunnel.
Really good. So
We can do that.
right.
Let's do that. I want to see you do that.
See, you can forward it.
I want to do that. I want to do that.
And then you can press it here. You
Hey,
can increase the volume. Just slide your hand. Go down. That's it. Go up and go down.
hey.
Right.
Me
This is on your
first.
right ears. I can't
Me.
even hear. If your noise volume, noise cancelling is here on the side.
I want to be me. Me.
Yeah.
Me for wild. Hey, me.
I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you.
Me.
it's a noise cancelling. I cannot hear you. It's on. What did you say?
I want to do with my.
What?
I want to do it.
Oh, you do it. You do it. I think the left is here. Here, come here. Come here.
All right.
Yeah. Okay. I will play your favorite song. Yeah. I'll play your favorite song. Wait. Where's your song?
What?
You sing it, yeah?
Go Power Ranger. Go Power Ranger. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Right. Okay. Can you hear it? What is it? This one.
What's that? That's not the one I like. That's the Power
The
Ranger.
Power Ranger.
Yeah, you're wrong.
Okay. Where's that Power Ranger?
Go Power Ranger. Oh, what about
Where is it?
Beast More Force?
Power Ranger.
What about Power Ranger Wild Force song?
Oh, what?
Power Ranger Wild.
Oh, you sing this one. We'll look for the YouTube. The power. We'll go for
Hey, what about
Dad's Monkey. And then you sing it, okay?
No,
Okay.
I didn't
Oh,
do that.
Daddy will do it then. Wow. Okay.
Squishy.
Gemma. Okay. Here, listen.
No!